Making money on Elixir involves leveraging its ecosystem for various monetization strategies. Here's a quick guide to get started. Create or invest in NFTs. Elixir allows users to create and trade NFTs within the gaming space. By designing and minting your own NFTs, such as unique in-game items, collectibles, or skins, you can sell them on Elixir's marketplace. If you're not a designer, you can invest in emerging NFT projects or buy existing NFTs with the potential for future appreciation. Develop and sell games. Developers can create games on the Elixir platform and monetize them through in-app purchases, ads, or exclusive content. If you have game development skills, you can use Elixir's tools to build interactive experiences and sell them. Earn via staking. Participate in staking on the Elixir blockchain to earn passive rewards. Stake your ELX tokens and earn interest or rewards as part of the ecosystem's decentralized finance mechanisms. Trade assets. You can trade virtual assets and in-game items via Elixir's marketplace, taking advantage of market fluctuations to earn a profit.